I'm the founder who built this nation's foundation. From the ashes of war, a fiscal sensation. You say states' rights, I say contradiction. 13 sovereigns, permanent friction. I was there when the articles fell apart. No taxes, army, or national heart. Congress couldn't pay the men who bled, hence the new charter, a union instead. A republic this size needs energy to thrive, not a loose confederation, barely alive. United we stand, not just a phrase, it's a bank amid debts that we raise. You want government weak? Remember Shays. Farmers revolt, whole nation ablaze when states couldn't keep any peace. We need federal force to police. I fund the debts, assume what states owe, build public credit, the economy grows. One nation market, financial soul. Central government makes the republic whole. You call it tyranny, I call it the price of staying together. Let me say it twice. A government that can't act is no government at all. United we stand, or divided we fall. The price of union is the power to act. That's not oppression, that's the founding compact. You fear a strong union? I fear the reverse. A weak confederation is liberty's hearse. How do small republics survive foreign threats? Without a strong center, the whole nation forgets. Foreign powers will divide us state by state. Virginia against New York, that's our fate. But a national government with power to act can defend the whole union, and that is a fact. You say closest government is government best. Tell that to debtors in the Massachusetts West. When creditors crush them and states turn away, a stronger union could save the day. I don't want a king, I want administration, an executive who can act for the nation. Not 13 governors pulling their own way, but one union for these United States. Public credit built us up from the ground, foreign respect and market so sound. Your pastoral dream, you can't pay the bills. A modern republic needs financial skills. Let's talk about legacy. What will survive? My treasury system keeps this nation alive. The credit I built, let the country expand. From 13 states to sea and sand. Your compact, the states, where does it go? Nullification, secession, a fatal blow. When South Carolina tried their own way, they cited your logic from Kentucky's day. I'm not naive about power's temptation. That's why we have courts and representation. But a government too weak to act when it must isn't virtue, it's breaking the trust. The people elected a national Congress, not ambassadors under duress. We the people, not we the states, ordained this republic, sealed our fate. You fear the center? Fine, stay on guard. But a union that can't act will fall hard. Weak leads get conquered, divided in two. History's lesson, I'm giving it to you. A government must govern, that's not tyranny. That's the price we pay for security. I take the risk of power that's strong over weakness that kills us before very long. You call it tyranny, I call it the price of staying together. Let me say it twice. A government that can't act is no government at all. United we stand, or divided we fall. The price of union is the power to act. That's not oppression, that's the founding compact.
Hey guys, it's Hamilton. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Don't listen to him, listen to me. I'm Thomas Jefferson, and I'm going to win this rap battle when I drop my rebuttal next week.